In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add shopping cart button on Google Sites. To begin, open your website in Google Sites. Make sure you are in the editor view where you can make changes to your pages. It helps to navigate to the page where you want the shopping cart button to appear before you add anything so you can place it accurately. Next, go to the right sidebar and select Insert. This is where Google Sites keeps all of the tools for adding new elements to your page, like text boxes, images, and embedded content. In the Insert panel, choose Embed. When the Embed window appears, switch to the Embed Code tab. This option is important because a shopping cart button is typically added using HTML code provided by your shopping cart service. Now paste the HTML code from your cart provider such as Ecwid or Snipcart into the box. Be careful to paste the code exactly as it is provided. If your provider gives you multiple pieces of code, make sure you are using the one meant for the cart button or cart icon, not a full storefront widget, unless that is your intention. Also, avoid modifying any parts of the code unless your provider specifically instructs you to do so, since small changes can prevent the button from displaying properly. After you paste the code, select Next, and then choose Insert. Google Sites will place the embedded element onto your page. You should see a preview area that represents the cart button content. If it looks small or is not visible yet, that is often normal in the editor because some cart tools fully render only after the page is published. Once it is on the page, drag and drop the embedded element to the top right corner. This is a common placement for a shopping cart button because it matches what visitors expect on most online stores. As you move it, use the alignment guides that appear to help you position it neatly and keep it consistent with your header and other page elements. Finally, select Publish. Publishing is required for visitors to see the new cart button on your live site. After it is published, view the site as a visitor to confirm that the button appears and opens the cart as expected. And that covers everything you need to know.